Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Morning Markets. My name's Chris Leyland, and I'm Director of Investment Strategy here at True Potential. Firstly, if we just look at equity markets, and we'll look at what happened yesterday. So you saw generally actually a positive day for UK and European equities. And what's quite pleasing is actually if we move into this morning, you've seen a positive open for both of those regions. If you move over to the US, you actually saw a little bit of weakness in the US, and one of the big contributors there was Meta, so what used to be called Facebook. And within that, what you've seen is generally a lot of investors showing some aversion towards the bigger technology stocks as we're in that rising interest rate environment. But look, today I want to really focus in on one region, that region's the UK, and I want to focus in on one data point. And that data point is the retail sales data that was produced yesterday. So let's look at the numbers. So firstly, the figures that were provided by the British Retail Consortium, so that's an industry group. And it was reported that sales were up 7.5% for January, and that compares to January last year. If we look at the commentary that came around the retail sales announcement, so Helen Dickinson, so the chief executive of the BRC, said that a portion of the sales growth will be a reflection of rising prices rather than increased volumes. And the second comment that she made is that actually in the coming months, retailers could face competition from other spending opportunities. So things as when the public goes back to restaurants, cafes, live events. And also she said that actually rising inflation driven by the higher costs of production, higher energy and higher transport prices could mean that consumers will need to tighten their purse strings. But look, that's one person's view. Really, what is it that we take from that data point as an investment team? So firstly, the retail sales data is positive. Consumers are continuing to spend. And I think that right now, the UK's move to lighter restrictions compared to other developed markets in the face of Omicron has meant that economically it's fared better than those other developed regions. As the public become more comfortable moving back to pre-COVID behaviour, it should actually be expected that they spend more on services, they go out to restaurants more, they go out to cafes more. I guess the other part of it is really thinking about the outlook. I'm really thinking about the outlook for inflation, for taxation. And the reality is we know that higher prices and higher taxation will influence the ability for the UK consumer to spend. And right now, it isn't really clear how much of an effect that will have. But let's actually look at the UK consumer right now. The UK consumer right now is healthy. If you look at savings levels and you look at them compared to pre-COVID, savings levels are actually higher right now. For us as an investment team, we understand that developed markets are very much consumer driven. And actually one of the key things that we monitor is the health of the consumer overall. Okay, that's everything from me. I hope you enjoyed today's Morning Markets. I look forward to speaking to you soon. Thank you very much.
Subscribing to the True Potential YouTube channel is quick and easy. Simply go to the channel on your desktop or through the YouTube app on your phone and click the subscribe button. You can then press the notification bell symbol if you wish to be notified as and when new videos are released. Doing this is a great way to keep yourself updated with market developments and personal finance insights. Thank you to everyone who has subscribed, and we look forward to continuing to help you do more with your money.